Hello, I'm going to do another quick video on the what I have so far for my artifact. I did my artifact on counting macros. I chose to have the landing page on Google Sites just because it's pretty easy to access. It's very user friendly. Um, so on this first page here, this is where I have the mission statement, the abstract, all of the journal stuff that we had to do, not journal, the updates on our URL sites for the short semester that we had. Um, my design story, and then at the very end is where I have the extended explanation. I also have, so this is not what the site would have. So if I was somebody wanting to take my lesson, I would I created two different pages. This page right here is more what they would see. It's just a brief explanation on what it is, the title of the lesson, and then once I'm done, I plan on placing the link here. I did create my artifact in Captivate. I'm still working on completing it. I recently reached out to an individual who's a nutritionist, and she's going to be my SME throughout this lesson. So when I do start putting content or even context in here, it's relatable and it's correct. So I'm going to have information throughout the lesson for the learners to review, to look at. I also am planning on having knowledge checks throughout the lesson. And then I also want to have some exercises where they can look and see how the certain macros are broken down. I also want to give them the ability to try it out a few times with, I'm going to do drag and drop on this one. And before they get to the final quiz. So my last video was a little bit longer. I just kind of wanted to, I wanted to shorten it up just a bit to give you a quick overview of what I have. I plan on adding a quiz at the very end, along with any helpful links that the learners can link out to different sites and apps to use if they choose not to count their macros manually.